It's 2020. I just turned 28 2 days ago, and I'm trying to take it there. I'm trying to take it there. So we're gonna see if I can take it there. That was my microwave and my phone. Rude. Okay, but anyway, I don't wear lashes like at all, ever, and I probably am not gonna start wearing lashes, but I will say that this was super easy, and I didn't wear lashes because I was worried about the glue actually pulling out my natural lashes, because I naturally have long lashes, and I wasn't trying to mess with that, you know. I was like, nah, I'm gonna be thankful for what God gave me and keep it pushing. But I do want to be extra sometimes in pictures on Instagram or even on YouTube, so I thought this was a great alternative. However, I need to look into if magnets are the move, because don't know that either. But as far as a picture really quick, for somebody who has zero experience and like no knowledge with false lashes at all, they just popped right on. I feel cute. I feel cute. I feel like, what's up? Like, what's up? So yeah. Oh, real quick, my outfit, if you guys care. Okay. If you guys care, I have on this cute bodysuit. It's so cute. And then these just cute like parachute pants, or whatever you want to call them. I'm gonna throw it on with my Vans, y'all. I'm just going to the grocery store. You guys know in these quarantine times, it's not many places that you can get cute to go. Okay. It's not many places that you can get cute to go, so the grocery store is where it's at. Club grocery store. Also, guys, I know y'all see these nails, they busted and crusted, and before you even start, I got a video coming. So I just ordered some bougie press-on nails, so I'm gonna see what that's about, since, you know, the nail shops are closed. So that's what I'm gonna go run. I'm gonna go run, pick those up, run a few errands, you know, be a good Judy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys are feeling these lashes, because Lord knows I am, but what do I know? I'll link these down below, guys. They literally are just magnetic. If you type in magnetic eyeliner eyelash set, they're like the first ones that come up. They look like this, but I will link it down below. And yeah, so that's it. Follow me on Instagram and any other social medias. I have that up somewhere. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you'll never miss any of my videos. And that's it. Let's get into it. So today we're using these lashes that I literally got from Amazon. So you have your eyeliner, your magnetic eyeliner. It's a liquid eyeliner, right, with a little tip. So that's cute. You have that. You have your little tool here to pop them on. And then of course you have your lashes. I lost the bottom lashes here just because I was playing around with these. And I lost them. I don't know. So yeah, we're just gonna get right in. I'm not gonna waste any more time. As I was skimming over the directions, it did say to shake this. I'm just gonna throw this on like normal eyeliner. Off the bat, this eyeliner is thick, but let's just see. Disclaimer, I don't know if this is actually good for your eyes. There are magnets in there. I don't know, I was a little worried about that myself, but I didn't do any research on it, and I probably should have. So if you guys know if it's like terrible, then let me know. So off the bat, I am not a fan of this, the brush that comes with this. Or maybe it's the formula, I don't know. I don't know if you guys can see. Can you guys see that? I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but it's like super thick on this brush. And the brush is not actually a brush, it's like a solid piece. Also, it's messy. It's all over my lashes, which I don't like. Alright, so I'm gonna throw in some mascara first and then try to pop on those lashes. Okay, so I'm just gonna use this Lash Paradise. Okay, so I think that's good enough with the mascara. I'm gonna go ahead and do my bottom lashes, but before I do that, I always put a little dot right under my lash line just to be extra and cute. Or I think it's cute. Just a little one. Okay, so that's that. So let's just pop on these lashes. I'm gonna try these and see what we get. I can't even get it off the thing. Now, I do know people do trim their lashes, except this have magnets, so I know for a fact if you're gonna trim these, you need to trim it like at the edge of a magnet, so like you don't have a piece flapping off, you know? And I would trim from the inside, I think. Or from the outside. I really don't know, because I don't do lashes. Are you supposed to trim from the inside or the outside? I don't know. Maybe from the outside. I don't know, but hopefully I don't have to trim. Hopefully it'll just fit. Let's see. So it's definitely on my eye. I do feel like I need to trim them for sure. First I need to Google, do you trim lashes from the front or the back? Because I deadass don't know. You cut from the outside, okay. I'm just gonna trim down one mag. They're sticking to my scissors. Okay. Let's try this again. Let's do this side. Okay, okay, okay. So this side is giving me all the trouble. It won't stick for some reason, but this side is on and looking good. Let me get this one with the program, hold on. Just gonna mesh these together real quick. Okay guys, so what do y'all think? Hold on, let me put some mascara at the bottom. Let me do my bottom lashes so we can see. I'm very particular about these bottom lashes, guys. For no damn reason. Get us back right. Okay guys, so this is the final look. And honestly, I still don't know if this one's on for real or not. I'm gonna say for me, it's on. Honestly, I'm definitely messing with it. That eyeliner is not it. I think it's an eyeliner brush. I know the magnetic eyeliner is necessary to make all of this work. I don't know if it's that brush or what, but it's clumpy and it's messy. What I would suggest and what I'm actually gonna do next time, because I'm definitely gonna pop these on for pictures and stuff. What I'm actually gonna do next time is use my own eyeliner brush. Like maybe use an old eyeliner brush or just like one that I have and put the eyeliner on with that, because this brush is honestly not it. Okay guys, so my camera died or it got too hot, I can't remember. That's it. Of course, like, comment, and subscribe and hit that bell. And until next time, bye.